All right, we're going to look here at isometric shape number one. Remember that the spacing on here is 0.25. So if I want to draw it for you here, here is the spacing for our grid. That's these boxes right here. So 0.25 by 0.25 by 0.25 all the way around. High density polyethylene. And we're looking to make this entire object here in Fusion. So let's give a little count of the actual size of the object vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Across the front here of this L shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep. All right, so let's take a look at what that looks like in Fusion. Remember, we're in design mode. We're going to start a new sketch. I like to pick this area here, which is green for Y and red for X. All right, so we can go ahead and mess around here a little bit and draw that shape. In this case, I could draw kind of that L-shaped box. I'm going to draw this. Oops, didn't connect. Here, here, down, and over. Now, those are all right angles. This symbol right here, you see it for perpendicular. So you know that that is good. Let's look back at our Cami drawing here real quick. In this case, we said it was 4 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide. Back to Fusion. Dimension. I hit the D for dimension. We said it was 6 times 0.25. Enter. This one right here, 4 times 0.25. Enter. Sky, let's go back and look. Right here is 1, 2. That means 2 times 0.25. Oh, it didn't work out. Times. Right. Everything has to be the right size. I already dimensioned this. We can check that one now. It looks a little bit off, actually. This should also be the same height, which is 2 times 0.25. Let's see what this guy comes out at. All right. Go back to our drawing here. This is 2 blocks. 1, 2. Hit D for dimension again. 2 times 0.25. Enter. All right. That one has got to be 1, and it won't let me do it because it's forced. All right, finish that sketch now. Green check mark. Hit the home for isometric. I want to extrude that shape. That means it's making it 3D. I'm going to pull this back just the same direction as my drawing. Let's go back and review what this was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to Fusion. It's a negative number this time. You're going away, so minus 5 times 0.25. Whole object right there. All right, let's take a look at what is next. We've got this area done right here, and we've got to make this L-shape extension off of it. All right, so there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show it to you with 2 extrusions. In this case, it is 2 tall, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 2. All right, let's take a look at that. I'm going to put a sketch on that face. Rectangle tool from corner locked on to edge locked on. Now the only dimension I need is from here to here, and that is 2 times 0.25. That's finished. I can extrude this out in this direction. I think we said that was 5. 5 times 0.25. Back to our drawing here. That was the 5. It's right here. Let's go up 2 by 2. Fusion. rectangle tool, lock on the corner, lock on the edge, and dimension. Whoops, it doesn't like that. Let's see if it lets me change it. It doesn't. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to actually undo that. What I ended up doing, I think, was snapping to a line. So we'll try it again. Here to there. Now dimension here to there. Gives me a number, 2 times 0.25. Finish that. Extrude up 2 times 0.25. Dimensions can be math problems. That works out just fine. All right, the next shape should look just like that shape. I'm going to do that circle in here. The circle's diameter is 0.5 across. Its center point is 0.5 down and 0.5 over. So how does that work? So we're going to do a sketch on that face. Circle. Anywhere you want, right about there. The blue line of dimensions is what we want for diameter, 0.5. Enter. Dimension. Center point, top edge, 0.5. Center point, left edge, 0.5. Finish. Extrude down. In this case, we're going to cheat and we're going to say distance all. That hole right through there. All right. I'm going to hit home. I'm going to hit bodies, sketches, zoom out and slide it over. I'm going to make a box around the whole thing. Right click, physical material, plastic, scroll down quite a bit, polyethylene high density. Drag it and drop it on top. Hit close. Make a box around the whole thing again. Right click, properties, slide that over. And I've got area, density, mass, volume, physical material, polyethylene high density, polyethylene high density. All right, let's go back to Fusion here. You're going to use your snipping tool. You're going to make a new snip around the browser, the object, and the properties box. You're going to copy this and paste that into a Word, a doc. So let's see what that looks like. Oops, wrong. There it is. So I can come in here, new doc, blank. We'll call this 10 Isometric shapes. Shape 1. Control V for paste. Replace. Shape 2. Okay. Ready for the next one. All right, scroll down. Isometric shape 2.